morning we're going to make some yummy breakfast muffins gluten-free, and we're going to use the oat flour that I did up yesterday. So let's get started. I have everything measured out in the wet ingredients in my bullet here. I'm going to put everything in the description below, so go down there if you'd like to make these and get the recipe. So we're going to put all the dry ingredients in this bowl. So we're going to go 2 3/4 cups of oat flour, and this is what I put through my grain mill yesterday. Just like that. And let's see, we're going to use some flaxseed, 1/4 cup of flaxseed right there. 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, yum, smells good too. And a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder, just like that. And those are the dry ingredients, and we have some mixed nuts. I have some walnuts here and some almonds. That's what I'm going to use. Also, this isn't so healthy, but these are some chocolate chips, but I don't think I'll put them in today. But you can put chocolate chips. You can use anything you'd like. You can use dates in here, anything that comes to 1/4 cup that you like. And here's my bullet here. It's got all the wet ingredients in. And in here I have 3 medium bananas. I have almond milk. I have 1/2 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And let's see what's going to happen here. There. I think that's mixed up well. So we're going to give this a stir, just like this. You need your oven on bake, and you want to bake this. It says oven temperatures are different, anywhere from 325 to 350. I'm using 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to stir my nuts in last, and then you want to have a pan, a muffin tin to put them in. You can use liners. I just sprayed my pan here, and I'm just going to put it in. Okay. I don't use this magic bullet very often, so it's kind of new to me. I got it on a donation to help the Alzheimer's clinic where my aunt lives. They had an auction on different stuff, and you can do auctions or do just give a little something. So that's how I got that. So we're going to put the wet ingredients in now. Oh, look at that. Boy, that mixed up really well, didn't it? Oh, smell that banana. When that banana hits the cinnamon, Here in Maine, it's very windy today. It's 2 or 3 days. It's been super windy. Some wind has gone up to 50 and 60 miles an hour. And Sugarloaf, which isn't that far from me here, is a ski area. There's a tower that got blown down up there. So that shows you how strong the winds are here. Okay, we're going to do that. And then I'm just going to give this a little mix. We're just going to mix this right up. I hope you guys will like these breakfast muffins. I will promise to try some more healthier recipes as I'm trying to eat healthier myself. But I love chocolate. Everything tastes better with chocolate, I think. Oh yeah, this is going to be like a cake batter consistency. Yum. And there it is right there. Look at this. Nice, real nice consistency. So I'm going to put my walnuts and my almonds in now. Just like that. Just going to give it a little stir in. Okay. Then we're going to take the tray And I have an ice cream scoop, my favorite one. I think I tell you this all the time. This is my favorite. And we're just gonna scoop it in, just like this. I'm gonna fill them right to the top. Needs a little bit more. Just like that. So I will bring you back when these are all filled. And I'm gonna put them in the oven, take them out, and we will give one a taste. And don't forget, it's shout out. And the shout out this week is going to Florida Greg. I will put Florida Greg's link down below. He's got a little bit of everything. He's a great guy. He supports my channel. He's funny. He's a good guy. He's what got me started on the reviews for Saturday. So go check Florida Greg out. That's the review for this week. I'll bring you back when these are all done baking. Hey, these healthy muffins are out of the oven, and that's what they look like. I got 10 of them. Don't they look yummy? They all came out great. Look at this. Nice on the bottom. How you want to check it if they're done? Take a toothpick. These are just a little warm still. Take this toothpick, go down through the middle. Nothing comes out. If they weren't done, there would be batter on here. So this is all done. So I am going to taste test this one. And I'm going to heat up a cup of tea. Look at that. This is the inside. See the walnuts? Looks yummy. Nice and moist. Okay, here we go. Smells good, I know that. Yum, yum. It's very good. They're very moist. If you're looking for sugar, there's hardly any sugar taste at all. So I give these a A+ for a healthy breakfast muffin, gluten-free. Everything will be in the description box below. You never know what's going to be on my videos. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And like I always say, you never know. Florida Greg, I'm giving you the shout out. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.